has the blue beads inside the flowers. But on here I put the clear bead, clear gem on that one. But look how this her eyebrows look. I mean her eyelashes, her eyelid. I'm a color that in with blue, but I just like the way that looks. I don't know. I'm strange. I like the way that looks. That's weird. Anyway, I was playing around with them this morning, so that's what I came up with. And
there's a cart back there. Put the thing in the cart.
okay. You gotta take the stuff off the cart.
Pinky?
Mm-hmm. So Pinky, I gotta finish Pinky later on.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these I put on. Menda said, "Hey, Gerald."
Hey, man, how you doing?
I know those eyelids. That's different. I just tried that. I was just sitting here minding my business, and then I decided to try it because, why not? Why not? Let's see here. What is going on here? My head is hurting. Let's okay, so let me see what the thing. Hold up. The Diva in Blue baby says she is amazingly beautiful. She is. Let me see what the thing. Hold up. I love that look too. Let's see. I love that look too. Baby says those eyelids are uniquely beautiful. Yep. I'm well, my brother Gerald, and I pray that you are as well. Much love, my brother.
Amen.
Oh,
Same back
What?
at you. Same back at you. Amanda, don't pay a bit of attention to Rhonda. She's confused and bewildered. As she normally is.
Hey, man, don't start your stuff with me.
As she normally is. You should see the mess she's making in there. My Lord.
Don't start, big guy. I'm sick. Boy,
Look at it. Look at it. You don't know what
She
that is.
don't let me come over there.
Look at it.
You put that glue on my couch.
Good. This is your idea.
That,
This,
yeah.
this ain't wet. This is wet.
Oh, I just didn't know. Calm down and fix your face. Who you talking to?
I know.
What
Oh,
you
don't let
eating?
me off my face.
What you eating?
Huh?
What are you eating? She getting over here getting beside herself, you know.
I'm gonna give you a slide her head.
Thank you. My sister gave me these.
Knows it's true.
She know I like hearts.
Knows it's true.
What? Oh, I thought this was the trash. Did you just see me throw that gum in there and I thought that was the trash?
That is it.
I thought that was the trash. Because I can't see. These are the hardest rings I ever seen.
Mm-hmm. You watching it in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, right here?
Look it up.
Oh, snap.
Pork rinds.
The guy said, oh, no. Here. Right here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm going to sit right here.
She don't know.
I know. That is it, Rebecca.
Roberta.
You know, think about Alberta, this with the O-R.
It's going to be rolled from here on out. Then I ain't got to worry about
Do I have any Coca-Cola left? I don't have no more Coke.
She be the whole thing in there.
But she had to sit in the bathroom waiting for you.
That is bad.
The whole car.
What was we doing in the bathroom?
Uh, my husband and Rhonda
I'm done. Mm-hmm.
every day.
I'm done.
You are.
Look, y'all.
Want to let it drop?
You know what that should be? You know that should be, Rhonda?
What?
A turtle.
That could be a cute turtle.
It
Oh,
would be.
that's a good idea. Maybe
I
we'll.
just looked at it and said, that's a good
Can I turn it? Why it's not turning around?
So Rhonda can't do it. Can't turn it.
What in the Sam he
talking
drink?
about her camera.
No, she's talking about that arthritic Annie. But
You talking about her.
that, you know she can't spin like that.
She got
Why is it not turn? Okay,
Come on, Teresa, you gotta get it together.
I'm trying to get it. It's not turning.